So here's a parallel circuit, 2 lights. So voltmeter set at 6, and we're measuring current. So electrons come out of here, and then they have 2 places to go. They can go to this ammeter through the light bulb and through that ammeter and back, or they can go this way through the ammeter, through the light, and then all the way back. So remember, there's 2 paths, and we can see that because of these areas where we have these T-shaped connections. If we look at the current here, it's about 0.15. It's the exact same current here, and this one plus this one add up to this one. 0.15 and 0.15, and if we look at this one, it is reading 0.3. Now if we add another light, so 1, 2, and now 3 lights in parallel, and we measure the current in this light path and this light path and this light path and compare it to the total, notice that the total has gone up. It was 0.3 and now it's greater than 0.4. This one plus this one plus this one have to equal this one. 0.15 and 0.15 and 0.15 again, and now we get our new total. So we can see that as we add light bulbs in parallel, that the resistance actually decreases, and the more lights we add, the greater the current becomes.